This is Garrett with RepeaterBook, and if you hadn't seen RepeaterBook, you really need to check it out because you're going to be surprised. And I'm going to let Garrett tell us about some of the new stuff we got since videos I made last. Take it away, Garrett.
Well, even if you've heard of RepeaterBook and used it, there's been quite a few changes the last few months we want to let you know about. But first of all, RepeaterBook is free, always has been, always will be. But we do have Premium Plus, we call it, RepeaterBook Plus subscription model now that I wanted to let you know about since it's brand new and what it does. It does delete the ads and that sort of thing, but the number one thing that everybody's asking about is this, we call it route search, but it's basically a trip planner. And what you're looking at is an image of a search that the website did from San Francisco all the way to New York City, showing 2 meter and 70 centimeter repeaters and along the route, and you can export that to your favorite radio programming software, and what used to take folks hours of research to do can now be done in about 3 seconds. So load your radio up with all the repeaters that you might want to talk to or along your route. You can search by band, mode, and feature, and you can add up to 10 waypoints, so you can customize your route. So it's using Google Maps to make that route. So that's been hugely popular. So I want to make sure everybody knows about that.
Yeah.
In addition to that, we do have a net search now. So if you're in an area and you want to search to see if there's any nets to check into, you can do that. You can also favorite repeaters, so you can make your own curated list of repeaters and save them. And then maybe you want to export those to a bunch of different radios. That's a good way to do that. And then we're working on a new map search that you'll see soon, where you can search by zooming around a map and find repeaters there. So right now, as of August of 2025, the cost per year is $14.99. That's always subject to go up, but once you get in on that lower price and keep it.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
Yeah.
Lock it in.
Yeah. Right. Lock it in.
Good deal.
So. And, of course, you didn't know the Repeater Directory book is now powered by RepeaterBook, the ARRL book. That's available on Amazon and on ARRL and your favorite ham radio distributor. So we're proud to partner with the ARRL to provide the data for them. And if you're not familiar with RepeaterBook Connect, that is a way to take your right now Android phone and you tap a repeater and program your radio with it right to the VFO.
Yeah.
So that works with some radios, and the iPhone should be ready later this year. So that's a fun way to travel. You don't have to even program in a repeater. Just tap the repeater you want and program your radio on the fly.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. So, all right. Well, anything that we might have missed, or just
that's the big stuff. There's more stuff coming.
Yeah.
We'll save the announcements probably for Hamcation, but RepeaterBook Plus members get all that stuff first. So
yeah, there you go. All right. Well, thank you, Garrett.
Yeah, thank you.